install this cabinet, then Jesus Christ, this was a doozy. It was a doozy. It's hard, but we got it done. So we're going to continue with electrical, connecting everything. So we have everything set up from this side and this side as well. Because what we want to make sure is that everything that we connected is shared. So we're very pleased to see here that we have the right connections to do the work. So we're going to continue with that, taking advantage of the day. And in here, I thought that I was going to need to do something, but I just realized with the work that I did that I'm ready to go. I don't have to add anything else. So I'm going to put together on the screws to tighten up this puppy so we can put the refrigerator in. Now I have to finish back here first. I'm gonna put, but it goes there, but I'm gonna add insulation before I put it in position. And then I have to work back here, but I have to remove that panel. And that will be it. So I'll get back to you guys. Alright, we're finally getting everything we need so we can secure this baby to the wall, and also on the floor on that corner, but as well as on the ceiling. So here on the ceiling. So we already have the screws that are going to help us to tie this up very well tied up. And I hope that the distance between the wood and the fiberglass is enough. Yes, I think it's enough. So we're going to secure it to the wall in a way that it won't move. Because remember, this is going to carry a refrigerator, and then we're going to tie down the bottom also, so it will be absolutely solid. So we will be able to proceed by putting the refrigerator in by Monday. So we'll have a refrigerator at last. So it's time to get to work, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, we actually secure the cabinet to the wall. We reinforce it, so now it's completely and absolutely tied up to the frame. So this refrigerator cabinet is solid and it's ready for the refrigerator that we're going to install on Monday. I couldn't be happier, guys. This is such an amazing progress today. We have not wasted any time. We're gonna proceed installing this in the back, so we'll get everything out of the way, and we will continue doing electric around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find me a little pit tip, a little dipper drill, and come back to do electrical in this area, and we'll get back to you guys.